Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Abhilasha Singh and I bring to you easy breezy makeup tutorials. I'm here to make your life simple and easy to understand makeup is not so difficult. Today, get ready with me for New Year's. Let's say bye to 2020 with a bang. I'm gonna do these beautiful pink eyes and I have paired it with my sari. You can wear it with anything you like and it's such an Indo-Western take on makeup. And you know, when I go to parties, I like my hair up. I don't like it all over the place. But it's your call. So without much delay, let's begin. Taking my goof-proof brow pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows first. I love creating an arch right there and then filling in the gaps that you see all over the eyebrows. As you go, keep combing it so you know where your hair is. I haven't done my eyebrows in years. I have lasered them and that's it. So I need to be very careful when I fill them. You see the difference between the two here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill all the gaps possible and make two even eyebrows. That's what I mean. I haven't done them in years. Taking the CoverGirl concealer and this brush, I'm going to highlight under my brow bone, right there. Now let's go ahead and take this Corrector Concealer by NARS in color Biscuit. I'm going to correct my eyelids. I have slight darkening on my eyelids and that is why I need to correct them, and I'm going to dab it down with this sponge. I'm not using any concealer, I'm just using this corrector today on my eyelids. This is a Pat McGrath Mother Divine eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this pink color. This is going to be my base color all over the eyelid. And with a blending brush, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid and spread evenly. I always take all the eyeshadows in the upward direction. Now I'm going to take this Urban Decay Electric palette in the pink color Savage. And this, I'm going to dab it on. You see the movement of my brush? I am dabbing it on. So I need a lot of color there. How you use your brush determines how the eyeshadow gets applied. I'm just applying it on my eyelid and taking it slightly up. I keep blending in between two shades and there we have the blending brush again. This is Her Mannerisms pigment in pink. It is a very beautiful shade. I'm going to use it with a brush. And only on the eyelid will I apply this pigment. You see that? You can apply any pigment you have or you like. I wanted to use pink color, bring in the 2021 with amazing bang and vigor, and there it is. I love how the color is getting built up. I'm going to use this purple shade now to add a little more definition. I'm going to use my fingers to apply it. I love this color. I love pink and purple combination, and you see how it's just looking so beautiful. I'm using this eye pen by Too Faced and Better Than Sex and creating a winged. I'm keeping the front of the eye very thin and simple. From the corner of your eyes and your last lash, just lift it up. You see that? This is a very lifted wing. It's not your typical wing that we're looking to do. It's a party. So we're going to do a nice lifted cat wing right there. What do they call a feline flick? I'm also going to join the inner corners with my lower lash line right there. Taking my eyelashes, I'm gonna apply it right there. I'm gonna complete the under eye once I am done with my concealer and face makeup. There it is. Skin is prepped. You have your moisturizer, you have your under eye cream and your lip balm or your lip scrub. Let's take this glow primer by Bobbi Brown and apply it all over the face. With a brush or with a hand, it's your choice. I'm just gonna go with a brush. Because I'm using a tinted moisturizer, I'm going to correct my face much more because a tinted moisturizer does not have a coverage of a foundation. But because I wanted to keep the skin light and nice, I'm just going to use a tinted moisturizer today. Taking this concealer by NARS in color Biscuit, I'm going to apply it all over. This is like a corrector concealer because it has a little peach color. Every face is different, so apply it according to the pigmentation of your face and dab it down with a wet sponge. Tinted moisturizer are very light and nice, but the coverage is not as much as a foundation. That's why it's a moisturizer that has a tint of a foundation. But they're a good alternative if you don't want to use foundation every day. You see that? I think the coverage is pretty good. I really love the glow that's coming from the primer we put and this beautiful tinted moisturizer that has an amazing coverage. Taking this concealer by Bare Minerals. This concealer go in my highlight spots right here. I'm gonna go right there, on my nose, in the center, right there. You see how automatically everything gets highlighted. Whenever I have to go close to my nose, I always do it with my finger. It's just easier. And if you have a lot of lines under your eye, avoid going very close to those lines with your concealer. It's just going to highlight them more. What you see online, always you have to understand the skin type, you have to understand how the model skin is. You know, we all would like to become like models, but it's their profession. Real people have to put in a lot more effort. And when you're attending a party in the house, it's alright to have a slightly natural makeup done. This is still pretty glam for a house party, I think. But why not? We are saying bye to 2020. You can take any powder you're used to, but just make sure you dab into the skin. That's very important. Dabbing into the skin. We are doing powder contouring today in a bit. The difference between powder and cream contouring is they both give you definition, but cream just lasts longer. You know, if you have something going on for 12 or 13 hours, that is when you do cream contouring, or there is a specific shoot or something like that. Cream contouring lasts longer, way longer. I'm using my Hourglass palette. And using this color. You see that? Such a beautiful color. And I'm going in the upward motion. The best part about powder is it looks so natural and so subtle. Now I'm taking my blush. This is a cream blush by Manish Malhotra. He is a fashion designer from India, and he has his makeup line, which I personally love them, and they just have a very light glow to them. You see that? And with my sponge, I'm going to go ahead and dab it in. I love that glow. All the products are mentioned in the description box below. You can look it up. I love this. I'm going to use the same color right here. Works as a highlighter as well, you see that? I said it's winter, certain skin types can take cream products, so why not use it? If you have oily skin, please stick to your powder products, you know, even although it's winters. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye again. I'm using a black pencil by Urban Decay and I'm outlining my waterline. But I'm just doing the outer corners and keeping my inside corner thinner right there. Taking the same pink color from the Urban Decay palette, I'm going to go ahead and smudge my waterline. It's a party, it needs to look fun. Make sure to smudge even the outer corners right there. Taking the lip pencil from Makeup Forever HD, I'm gonna outline my lips. This is a Makeup Forever HD Artist Color Pencil in 604. And I'm gonna take this beautiful shade by the Balm Cosmetics and fill in my lips. Completing this look with the mascara, I'm using a NARS Cosmetic mascara. You can use any that you love. Last but not the least, my Bronze Goddess highlighter from Estee Lauder. And there we have, just highlighting wherever required. What do you think about the look, guys? So this is with a Western outfit, and then I have my sari, which I absolutely love. I hope you have a blessed new year. You welcome in your 2021 with grace, beauty, and courage. Wishing everybody a happy new year and enjoy this year. There is more to come. More beauty in 2021. Do like, subscribe, and share the video if you love this look. And I'm going to see you next year now. Bye.